Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the Vechain live changes occur in the last 1 hour. What's the price changes in the Vechain in the last 1 hour we see in this video. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about Vechain cryptocurrencies. Now let's see the changes of Vechain cryptocurrencies. What's the changes of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the market. Please subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies. First of all, we see the changes of the chart. What changes occur in the chart of Vechain cryptocurrencies? If we see the chart of Vechain cryptocurrencies, so it's tell us that the Vechain cryptocurrencies is now in this hour as a great jump. But currently, if we see the currently situation of Vechain cryptocurrencies, so it's tell us now currently they are falls down, as you can see on the graph. Now, if we see the changes in the last 1 hour, so it's absolutely a positive, a good changes in the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour, because the graphs take a jump. As you can see here, they are ready for jumping. As you can see, it's take a very high jump in this last 2 hour. So the changes is absolutely and positive. As you can see here, the changes is positive 0.86% change in the last 1 hour, but currently they are fast down. So I'm afraid from this change of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, now let's see the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, now the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies of 0.092795 dollar is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. If we see the now current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies, so it's 0.092619. As you can see here, the price changes of Vechain cryptocurrencies now current in now the high price in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, that is the price of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, that is the price of this period, as you can see here. And now the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies, as you can see here, that is the current price of this period, as you can see here. So that is the live changes occur in the Vechain cryptocurrencies. I'm very sorry for saying that, but now currently the Vechain cryptocurrencies falls down or start. So my suggestion is to sell it and be safe from loss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about Vechain cryptocurrency.